Uba Carmelo Marwen ubadaikum ukli mystery hak jing pentrayo tawa ubadon hak snong nong na Southwest Castle District ulaitu bahadu silak 10,000 kapisa baga company kampat siu nadu ubanai no pra arjar arpuar hadu mentah. Nakleng jong ke H&M hak jing ya kendu ba dunia orang ba kalabu ya jing maham ke jing kerpat ya keng company bahapo isteo kata hapo ka khat artarik unailur arjar arpulai kani ka company ke deban siu depno balada kam siu ha ka khat lai tarik manta ubanai ka seng selek man khang talano ya uni tower obadan hadam so khai nongna Southwest Castles District.
On behalf of the New Trap Achik National Movement, H&M Southwest Kasil District, we got a complaint from Carmelas Marwen. So, on behalf of the H&M, so we came here on the spot to look for this tower construction, as the head mystery told us that the construction of this tower, the company has to pay the laborers money for the construction of this tower after the completion of this construction. So till now the company has not paid the money, so Carmelas has requested us to help him so that he will get back the money. So as the NGO here, we came to the spot that we demand the company to pay the money within 1 week. That is, now it's from 6 till 12. We give time the company to pay for the money to Carmelas Marwen, and from that, if the company fail to pay the money to him, so on 13 of this month, September 2023, we will come back here and we will ban this tower. So we request the people of this area also to be alert with us and to stay with us to help the people who are working for this construction of this tower to get back the money. So we request the community people from here to be with us, to join hands together with us, so that Carmelas will get back the money until the company paid his money. So we give time, only 1 week. If the company fail for that, we will come here and we will ban, we will lock this tower. So I think the company will take this responsibility to pay the money to Carmelas so that he will get back the money, as he has paid his own sweat to construct this tower and also for the betterment of this society. So we request the company to pay back the money to him.
Jonga ngadai kum head mystery jong unu tawar bla trehan ke company Multitech company te kat kum ko bangi la yakut bat unu kontraktor bat kinong bela ba ladakan ke jik tre ngi ladep la kalong sibnan arbnai long ka pimen un cash no brok khai ndrei those hadu mata ni la pendep nadu disembar te hadu unu benai ba mata benai ba fra benai ba khandai ki klam la bat su pimen te nak takadau nga hak jing kulat nak ta kinong bela te ngam seban wat di kilat kilenti kumnu ban wat di kinong yarau nak banta benginio no ya ka hok kum kinong bela te kenapa ngin kekam kan ya baik kan ya erti nak banta ka ba kamiat ya ka beri ke company lene ya ki nong sok chnong hi ong kan ka jaka he brok koi te nga kerpat ya ki hamtami ki seng NGO bela dor rekat bat ngah ne ka por pan yarap lem lane ban ai chung mut lang ban yarap lem nak banta ki chinge ba ngakum u head mystery bat kinong belah ke cukup por wi semok nang banginio no e taka hok ke bangila tre stom te nga kerpat ya pika kan hun oka seng balang H&M ba kini rap lem yang kam bang itu sing nang bang gila panio ne hok na ka banta ka bang gila tristom na ka kinong bala bar khoi tang kata apa ya dai bat kanika pimen nak banta kanika bai bala bar khoi no ka badang sa lo na do no nai Desember hadu menta no kadang sa silak so phau nang tai ka badang ka liang jong ngakum u misteri mo ngarpat ya u kontraktor ba dai banyo yang ne kajing trai kum kamu tiket company ba kin suno ya kaneka painong tak benta jungi knang ba kin yo ban penyaj ban pentulun biang anu tawar ba kanom don jing thut ha bede pai ba kisong katha pa ding kinong balaro kumjo